Hi all, welcome back. Today I've come with another recipe that is chicken dynamite. This is absolutely a kid-friendly snack or starter. So let's make it. For that, to prepare an egg mixture with chicken marinade. That is, in a bowl, add 1 egg, chili powder, salt, pepper, soy sauce, lemon juice, garlic paste, and nicely mix well. I have taken boneless chicken 250 grams. We have to mix this and keep the chicken around at least 30 minutes or more. Now in another pan we have to prepare a coat mixture. So for that I have added maida, corn flour and seasoned with salt and pepper. This also keep it aside. Now in another bowl, let's make a dynamite sauce. We have to make this before frying and keep it aside. For that we need mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce and tomato sauce. You can skip the sweet chili sauce. Instead you can add sugar. This is a mixture of sweet and sour, which is the main ingredient. So mix well and keep it aside. So next step is frying. So let's heat the oil for frying. So now let's assemble the chicken. We have to dip the marinated chicken in the coat mixture, that is the flour mixture. One by one, very slowly, we have to thoroughly coat. That is why I am telling one by one. Then only the flour mixture will be nicely combined. And keep it aside. We have to coat all together and then fry. You can change the seasoning according to your wish. Instead you can add some herbs, anything. This is really an easy recipe. So now it's time for frying. Let's fry for at least 15 minutes in a medium high flame. This also you should add one by one. And see, it is done. It is really crispy. Let's fry all the chicken. Keep it aside. After completely frying the chicken, we need to combine the chicken and the dynamite sauce, but right before the serving. That is the important thing. This recipe of chicken dynamite is a fail proof and super easy. This chicken is perfect appetizer for any parties and it is loved by kids and adults alike. So mix this chicken and the sauce and directly have it. The chicken dynamite is ready. Now you can decorate the chicken dynamite with some lettuce leaf. Hope you like the video. Do try out this recipe and let me know the feedback. Thanks for watching.